Hi everyone, myself Suresh from Let's Pro. So welcome to this BITS project guidelines session. So this is my first session I'm going to give. So in this session, I'm just giving guidelines about how to prepare your outline effectively, along with that how to present your outline for your dissertation purpose. Okay. So before that, I would like to introduce our organization name. It's Let's Pro Academy. So we basically from Bangalore and Mysore. We have a in our branches in different locations across India. But this Wipro process, this BITS plan, I mean this project process goes via online only. Okay. So once it approved, next I will give the further information like how we can move further. Before that, let me explain about like how to present your outline. I hope you all got some outline guidelines from me. You just keep it with you. Next onwards, I'm going to give some guidelines. You just follow that same guidelines. It will help you to how to effectively you can present your outline to your guide. Okay. So, what is outline is nothing but it's a synopsis. Synopsis in the sense we're going to give you some introduction content regarding your project, your guide. Okay. So, in this, as per the format of your bits, so this is the the outline format we have to submit. Okay. So, I hope you all guys received the same format outline. If not, I will help you to how to create effective outline and also how to create a PPT also. Okay. So next move on to the outline first. It includes main these seven sections. Okay. The first section is purpose of your work and expected outcome. Okay. So basically you have to explain here we mentioned what is the purpose of your project, what problem statement we're going to solve, and what is the solution we're going to find. Okay, that information we have mentioned in the first section, the purpose of work and expected outcome. You just read it. If you want, you can modify in your own content, or else you can rephrase by using GPT or some other tool. Okay, let's come to the literature survey. So literature survey means we go, I mean, overall did similar, application or some study, some research oriented your project. So those information we're going to mention in the literature survey section. Okay. So before developing a project, we're going to think overall did similar, application, overall published the paper, overall working in the research side. Once they complete the project, they're going to publish in a some journal like a Google Scholar, ResearchGate, like that. So similarly, before developing a project, we have to refer some papers. So that information we have mentioned in the literature survey section. Okay. And existing system and limitation, it's nothing but what is the existing process we have, what is the limitation. Okay, that we have mentioned in this section. And the next is justification of selecting particular methodology or completing task. Here we have mentioned which are the tools and technology and programming language we are going to use to develop this project that we have mentioned. You can keep what all thing we have mentioned. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with that programming language, you slightly can change. Okay, later once it approval done, next we can discuss further, no problem in that. And also I have mentioned the hardware and software requirement. So if you guys want to modify, you can modify to your system configuration like RAM and hard disk, like that. Okay. And come to the like brief discussion about methodology, in the sense what are the functionalities we going to achieve in the project that we have mentioned. And come to the benefits of the deliverable work is nothing but the proposed system, what is the advantage of by doing this application, like that. And any supported work means we have mentioned the references. Okay. See, I hope you all guys got a unique topic ideas. some of they got cloud, some of they got cybersecurity, machine learning, data analytics, or web or mobile application. Okay, so project in the sense we have to develop a one working prototype that should solve the some problem statement. That's it. Okay, so you just go with your own. I mean, which are the topic you got, and identify the problem statement, and you just tell to your guide, I'm going to solve this issue. This is the existing problem. So by developing our application, that helps us to propose these features. Okay, that's it. You just tell this is my idea. So in the midsem report, in the upcoming thing, I will come up with a better like idea with the clarification, the idea, and some partial development and other stuff. Okay, you have to tell this is idea. I thought this will help for organized Wipro also. If in case, if in case if help for the organization, you can tell, or else if in case if it help for the public purpose, you can from the same thing, or else if in case it solves some problem, you just defend yourself. Okay, so this is how it will help for the particular thing. So that's why I'm developing this project. So these are the tools and technology I know little bit. Okay, like that you can just explain and propose your outline. That's it. And the next you will get a midsem report part. So in midsem report part you will get these four chapter documentation. Along with that you will get a required software to your laptop. Along with that some partial code to show in the midsem. In the next, in the final, you will get a remaining part of the report and prototype installation to your laptop, and also the possibility question your guide may ask and all the thing. So meanwhile we also conduct classes in our platform. So project means it's not like we just doing and we just copy and pasting to your system. You just guys showing to your guide and getting marks. It's not like that. Okay, our team will help you. We are 20 plus member developer team is there. So we are available 24 bar 7. Nothing to worry. Once it all done, we are available. So you have an option to raise a ticket and get the meeting schedule regarding to your project whenever it required. So you can feel free to contact us. Okay. So this is about just a brief idea about how to present the outline, and I will show you some tips to modify your outline which we have given, or else if you have your own idea, that's also you can able to prepare. So I will help you to do the things. Okay, see, I have prepared one prompt to create the outline, also to create the PPT. Okay, see this prompt in the sense, like if you put your project idea, so this will help you to generate the content in an effective way. That's it. There is no problem with this because you don't need to type. Just use this prompt to create a outline. I mean, we have already created. If you want to modify some content or anything, you just copy this prompt and put your project name here. And if you want to define some functionality or technology, you can here you can able to enter. After that you just go to the chat gpt and you can just paste here. Okay, so that will help you. I mean, it will generate the some content. So accordingly you can able to copy paste, and if you want to edit the functionality or change the technology, you can change the later. Okay, so after this you just elaborate, copy and paste, and you just ask elaborate this content. Okay, so this is how you can able to, if it required, you can modify the outline, or else you just send to your guide. Okay, for the ppt also I have prepared the prompt for you to create the ppt effectively. You just copy this and paste into ChatGPT, put your project title, and also to help, you can upload the outline which we have given. Okay, the prompt, for example, now it created outline. Now I'm going to paste the PPT prompt. So project title name, I'm just going to mention for demo purpose, school management system. Okay. So along with this, you can upload your outline also. So it will give the content for the how to create the effectively PPT. Okay. So meanwhile, if you guys are using Microsoft PowerPoint, you can open the PowerPoint, or else if you guys using just a browser thing, you can open Google Slide. Okay, you can just enter Google Slide. So here also you can able to create PPT. Okay, so here the templates you will get. You can select any template, and you just go to the content, copy and paste it. And you also have to read the points properly and make sure you should understand. So this is the easy way to create a PPT. Okay, in this generation. Earlier, in our time, we used to go and write the points and other thing. It will give the better understand and simple English, and in an effective way. So you can able to create the PPT and keep with you. If they ask, you can present the PPT. Okay. So as I said, in the PPT, you have to explain this thing only. The purpose of your project, the literature survey, which all the paper you have referred, you just show I referred this the much, that's it. And existing system you can tell, and what are the hardware and software requirement you're going to use to the application, and what are the software you're going to use. If you use cloud means you can mention Azure or AWS or any web server. We can have a 1 month trial free access we can use. If someone developing a machine learning, you can tell I'm going to use the Anaconda or Jupyter notebook which you have mentioned in your outline. So as per the outline which you have mentioned, the tools and technology, you just tell I'm using this one because I have a basic awareness. That's it. And similarly, deliverable of the work and the supporting system is nothing but the references. So along with us, we have given a 16-week weekly plan how to achieve the project. You just tell I have decided to, as per the 16-week plan, I'm going to show the project. Okay. So and another one important thing is if you guys felt you want to add some more feature to your project means, of course, yes, you can add. Okay, you just directly upload the your outline. Okay, I'm just going to upload some outline. You just tell add some simple 2 to 3 features for this project. So like sometime you're going to feel it may repeat for the other student also, or some other students already did. I mean, we won't give a duplicate or repeated project. We make sure everyone going to get the unique project at the end. I mean, the UI, the functionality and all the thing, and also the report. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can generate the features and you just copy and paste it to in your outline if you want, or else you just keep which we have given, you can submit it. And meanwhile, everyone has to, I mean, if you want to change your project title, you just copy and paste the title and ask, suggest different title for this project. Okay, for example, school management system. Okay, suggest me different project title for this above project. So you will get the alternative project name. Okay, you can copy and paste similarly for your project also. Okay, so why it benefit means it will help you to avoid the duplication names in the project. Okay, because we don't know, thousands of students do the project. Sometime if someone do a similar concept, it may affect in future. So it is better to change the project name. So later we can able to change the functionality and other stuff also. Okay, please update, change the project name and update the new project name to your all outline, and you can submit it. It will helpful for you also. Okay, and at the last, if you guys feel, if you want to change outline, you can contact us. So we will give new outline, don't worry about that one. And also, if in case if a project got reject at any point of time, we will give new one. Okay, don't worry. And please feel free, contact us anytime, we will be with you. So I'm going to attach this prompt document along with this video, so it will help you to present your outline in effective way. Thank you.